Hello friends, this is Part and today we are setting ourselves to get started with Tableau. So Tableau has two versions. One is Tableau Public, which is a free version. The other one is Tableau Desktop, which is chargeable unless you have a student version. So open your browser. So this is how the Tableau Desktop screen looks like. Go ahead and download, but it's a free it's a trial version for 14 days. So what you can do, if you're a student, right, just go ahead and type Tableau Desktop student version. Once you get a first screen, just it will come here, and then you can go ahead and download this. If you're a student, put your ID card information and your school information, and then Tableau will validate and send you the student key, which is valid for a year. Okay, so this will allow you to have the entire access of Tableau. The other one, if you're not a student and just want to get started with Tableau, you can type Tableau Public. So Tableau Public download, you can type in Google, it will get it here. Just type your email ID and just type your email ID and just get started. So now it will be getting started. I'm just canceling because I already have Tableau Desktop with me. So that's it. So this is how you get started with Tableau, and from next lecture we'll see we'll get into various in-depth of Tableau. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Thanks.